How to play Shadow Fight 3 with friends. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this instructional video, I'll be addressing all of your inquiries related to the playing Shadow Fight 3 alongside your companions and determining the existence of such a functionality. In order to provide a response to this query, let's delve into the intricacies of the primary menu. After successfully completing 3 compact encounters in the initial chapter, the duel feature will be unlocked for you. Upon activation, you will observe that it automatically pairs you with a randomly selected adversary, and while you have the freedom to navigate through various menus, such as reviewing your personal profile, there isn't a direct method to invite your friends for a match. The current configuration solely permits interaction within the random participants engaging in the primary storyline or the participating in the raids. Regrettably, at the present moment, Shadow Fight 3 does not incorporate the option to challenge your friends to a duel. However, the capability to engage in duel with the friends is accessible in the Shadow Fight arena and the other titles within the franchise. If your intention is to engage in the compact with your friends, it might be worthwhile to explore those alternative options. The primary objective of this video is to dispel any uncertainties surrounding the aspect of the playing Shadow Fight 3 with your friends. If you found this information beneficial, please consider showing your support by liking and subscribing for the additional insights. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video.